Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We have heard of FRP Factory Reset Protection, PPP Privacy Protection Password, and other security measures to keep your data safe. Google is, however, rolling out a new AI-powered anti-theft feature called Theft Detection Lock for Android devices, and it's something you need to know about. We will briefly see what it means and the impact this new feature will have on privacy, battery life, and more. Smartphones are incredible devices, but they're also prime targets for theft. We've all heard stories of phones being swiped from cafes, buses, or even our own homes. Google is about to release a new AI-powered anti-theft feature that aims to address this issue head-on, providing enhanced security and peace of mind for Android users. In May of this year, Google teased a new theft detection lock tool for Android phones. The new anti-theft feature leverages advanced artificial intelligence to detect unusual activity on your device. Here's how it works. The AI monitors how you typically use your phone. This includes how you unlock it, which apps you use, and your general usage patterns. If there is a suspicious movement from your normal usage, such as someone snatching a phone and then running, biking, or driving away, it can trigger an alert and the screen lock would be activated immediately. This is made possible because AI leverages the phone's gyroscope and accelerometer to watch for common motions associated with theft, likely a quick jerk followed by rapid acceleration. In the event of a suspected theft, the lock screen can automatically display a message offering a way for the finder to contact you while keeping your data secure. This can be made possible through the Find My Device feature. The feature integrates with Google's location services, so if your phone is stolen, you can track its location in real time using the Find My Device app and perform certain security measures remotely to protect your data. One major drawback to this is that the lost device must be online for this to work. But with this new feature, will Google probably put this limitation into consideration by giving users the ability to lock your phone even if it's offline by using your number, and some security challenges. And also, the ability to mark your phone as lost on the Find My Device app. In case the thief decides to wipe the phone for his/her use, there'll be a countermeasure, making it more difficult to factory reset a phone and set it up under a new account. Now let's discuss some downsides this upgrade might face. Number 1. False positives. There might be times when the AI incorrectly flags legitimate activities as suspicious due to the limitation of human design. Secondly, privacy concerns. Continuous monitoring of your behavior raises questions about data privacy, though Google assures that data is handled securely. Lastly, battery impact. Advanced features might have a slight impact on battery life. When will this tool be released? At the moment, from a reliable source, it is known that the tool will be rolled out to a limited number of users in Brazil who signed up for Google's beta program. But as soon as it becomes public for everyone, it may be integrated into the latest Google phone, probably Android 10 and above. As we wait patiently for this new feature, we can utilize the existing Find My Device feature. Enable Find My Device, go to Settings, then Security, and make sure Find My Device is turned on. It's a simple process, and it ensures that you're fully equipped with the latest in smartphone security technology. Overall, Google's AI-powered anti-theft feature is a promising step towards improving smartphone security. While there are some limitations to consider, the benefits are substantial for those concerned about device theft. What do you think about this new feature? Will it change the way you think about smartphone security? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news.